Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Infosys company which is hiring for the fresher candidates. Infosys is conducting a off-campus recruitment drive for the fresher candidates. So before checking this form, we will check the other. They are hiring for the system engineer and operations executive position. This off-campus drive is mainly for fresher candidates. Eligibility criteria for the system engineer, for operations executive, and again operations executive. For the system engineer, you should have BE Tech or MEM Tech completed in any discipline. That means in any branch. Any branch candidates are allowed to apply. Suppose if I have completed my B in mechanical engineering, then yes, I am eligible to apply. So if you have completed your BE Tech or MEM Tech, then you are allowed to apply. Then for the same system engineer position, MCA and MSc candidates in computer science or electronics or mathematics or physics, statistics or IT or information science, all these branch candidates are allowed to apply for the system engineer position. Then again, next position is operations executive, bachelor of computer applications, that is BCA, or bachelor of science, that is BSc graduates from all branches. BCA as well as BSc graduates from all branches are allowed to apply for operations executive position. Suppose I have completed my BCA, then yes, I am eligible to apply. Suppose you have completed your BSc, then yes, you are allowed to apply. For the operation executive, students from diploma, suppose I have not completed my engineering, my education is till diploma, then yes, I can apply for operation executive position. If your branch is computer science, then you can apply electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, or information technology. So you can apply for this position. So candidate graduated or graduating in 2019, 2020 and 2021 pass out batch candidates are allowed to apply. This pass out batch is applicable for system engineer role, then operation executive role, again operation executive role for diploma candidates. So 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch candidates are allowed to apply. No active backlogs are allowed. And compensation, they are giving you 3.6 lakh per annum for system engineer role and 2.22 lakh per annum for operations executive role. You can check here. Then how to apply? Interested BSc and BCA candidates can register on this page. Then interested diploma candidates can register on this page, and interested engineering candidates can register on this page. So please do not get confused. If you have completed your diploma, then you need to fill your form here only. You can't fill this form. Okay, I repeat, if you have completed your diploma and you are trying to fill this form, this is not allowed. If you have completed your diploma and trying, then your position will be operations executive. If you have completed your BE Tech, then then you need to apply for system engineer position. So don't get confused. You need to apply for there are 3 separate forms given for each role. So for BSc BCA candidates, this is the form. For diploma candidates, this is the form. And for engineering candidates, so this is the form. So this all these 3 forms looks same. I'll show you here. You can check here. All these forms look same. I have already opened here. So all these forms look same, but you can check here on the bottom side. You need to give 92 answers here. Then again same here, you need to give 92 answers here, but here you need to give 75 answers here. So once you fill the form, suppose if I fill all these details and I click on next page, again I will get other questions. I need to fill the next page again. Again I need to click on next page, then new page will open. Again I need to give all the details. Again I will, so till 75 questions will be asked to you, and you need to give a response or reply to those questions. Okay, same as like this. So there are different questions are asked for applying for this Infosys drive. So these are separate forms. I will mention in the description box like this. Okay, so that you will get an idea so which link I should apply. Okay, so last date to register is Sunday 7th of November 2021. So last date to apply for this Infosys off campus drive is 7th of November 2021. So I repeat, if you are confused, if you have completed, suppose if you have completed your BSc or BCA, you need to fill this form. If you have completed your diploma, you need to fill this form. If you have completed your engineering, then you need to fill this form. Please don't fill wrong form, otherwise it might be a problem. Okay, so let us check what is the eligibility criteria for the role of system engineer. Engineers BE BTech ME MTech from all branches as well as MCA MSc from computer science, electronics, mathematics, physics, statistics, IT graduates are eligible to apply if they meet academic criteria shared below. Class 10th, you should have 60 percentage minimum. You can check here, minimum 60 percentage required for you can check here all this. Okay, then class 12th, again minimum 60 percentage you should have, or diploma. If you have completed your diploma, then you should have minimum 68 percentage. If you have completed your diploma, then minimum 68 percentage required. For BTech, BTech 68 percentage, or 6 CGPA on out of 10. Okay, so if you have completed your BE BTech, you should have minimum 68 percentage or 6 CGPA. For ME MTech, not applicable, and you can check here, minimum 6 CGPA or 68 percentage you should have. All percentage or CGPA should be simple average for all subject or semesters or year, including elective subjects, optional subject, additional subject, practical subject, and languages. In the case candidate has done both 12 and diploma, the best of the two is taken into consideration. Suppose I have completed my diploma as well as 12th standard, and I got more marks in diploma and I got less marks in 12th, then you need to give both details. You need to give both details, but uh, the marks in which like whether you have got more marks in diploma, then that degree will be considered. Suppose if I got more marks in diploma, then diploma will be considered, 12th will not be considered. So like that, no backlogs are allowed. So this is the eligibility criteria. So you need to fill these forms as per your uh, as per your education. Okay, so I will mention in detail. So BSc and BCA candidates, guys, you need to fill this form. Diploma candidates, you need to fill this form. Engineering candidates, you need to fill this form. Okay, so for BE BTech candidates, your job title or job role will be system engineer and your CTC will be 3.6 LPA. For BCA, BSc and diploma candidates, your job title will be operations executive and your CTC will be 2.2 LPA. Okay, so this is all about the Infosys off campus drive. I hope you got my point, and if you have any questions, then please comment below. I will try to give each and every answer. And please share this drive, Infosys drive, with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply. And thanks for watching this video.